There are many doubts affecting brothers and sisters. How should we deal with them? Many ways of dealing with them. Firstly, you seek knowledge. You learn about the ahkam of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If you seek knowledge, knowledge takes away shubahat and shahawat. Knowledge gives you enough understanding to know what is haqq and what is batil, and what is a doubt and what isn't, and to stay away from the shubha. And it also gives you knowledge and taqwa to stay away from the ma'asi of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So firstly, you seek knowledge. Also, you make dua that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keeps you away from these shubuhat and these doubts. These shubuhat and these doubts. Also, that you stay away from everywhere that you can come across shubuhat. For example, social media. So sometimes people listen to debates. That is a way of getting shubha into your heart. Stay away from that. Instead of listening to a 2-hour debate or 2-hour podcast talking about people's experiences and life experiences and what they like to drink and what they don't like to drink, listen to a lecture of Sheikh Salih al-Fawzan, hafidhahullah, or Sheikh Abdul Muhsin Abad, or Sheikh Salih al-Haydan. All of it has been translated. Or read from the books, the classical books of the scholars. And there's a book, Talbis Iblis, The Deception of Iblis, by Ibn Qayyim. And there are many books that the Muslim can read to get rid of these shubuhat. Wallahu a'lam.
Are you struggling to find an organized way of studying? Too many webinars and no direct study route? Well, why not study with Madinah College online? Starting your journey is easy. With a simple registration system, you'll be studying in no time. To find out more, visit www.mclportal.com and sign up today.